DPF emulator installation in Kubota V3800 engine. Remove the cover to gain access to the 3 temperature sensor plugs and the differential pressure sensor plug. Locate and disconnect the 3 temperature sensors. Connect plugs from the emulator's wiring harness. Disconnect the differential pressure sensor and connect the plug from the emulator's wire harness. Locate the common rail fuel pressure sensor. Connect the plug with a purple wire to the physical sensor and the other matching plug into the plug that was going into the sensor.